Hey, Mike the Marketing Medic here, and in my last video I talked about how unrealistic it is to expect to make $10,000 in 2 days with no website or paid advertising, right? I said you needed to do the work. And so what I wanted to do today is share with you some of what that work is. So I was going to share with you my standard operating procedure that creates an audience that is willing to relate and respond to you, okay? And there's 5 components to my standard operating procedure. The first thing is understanding your ideal buyer profile, okay? And what that contains is, first, what is their level of awareness? What is their level of sophistications? What are their wants? What are their emotions? What are their beliefs? You need to understand all of that if you're going to craft the proper message and if you're going to provide them with an offer that they actually want. That's the second thing. What is the offer that you are providing? Does it actually have value? Is it something that they actually want? Because if it's not, then they're not going to opt in. So your offer, that's actually, from my experience, that's the number one reason that most websites, that most funnels fail is because of their offer. They have a terrible offer. So you need to nail that. The third thing is you have to have it hook. What is the hook that intrigues, that makes people want to find out more about what you are offering? What is your have to have it hook that says, wow, this is amazing, I got to have this thing? Okay, you have to have it hook. Part of that have it hook, there should be a big differentiator in there. What is the thing that differentiates you from the competition? What makes you stand out? What makes your audience believe that you are providing something that nobody else is providing? And if they want the results that they want, they can only get it from you that is going to be provided through that big differentiator. Okay? And fifth and not least is your proof platform. Okay? And what is the proof platform? Think about when somebody tries to sell you something. What is the first thing that you do? You go into fight or flight mode. You're saying no before they even finish their offer. And that's because you're creating all these limiting or negative beliefs, false beliefs. You need to address those up front early, okay? Because if you allow those false or limiting beliefs to fester, then you're not going to be able to get them to take your offer. You're not going to be able to get the sale. You're not going to be able to create a relationship with that person. So you need to create that proof platform up front, first and foremost, so that you can build that relationship and create an audience that will both relate and respond to you, okay? So I hope that you find that helpful. Make sure that you like, follow, subscribe to this page, whatever you need to do, because I'm going to be providing you with even more information in upcoming videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, bye-bye.